Good morning, class 1. So today we're gonna start with the exercises from page number 57. So let's start with the objective type questions. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Okay. So the first question says a dash eats grass. So we have two options, cow and squirrel. So that will be your cow. A cow eats grass. Question number 2. A dash is a large area covered mainly trees and plants. So that will be your forest. A forest is a large area covered mainly trees and plants. Uh, Question 3. Dash makes bee hives to live in. So that will be your bees. Bees make hives to live in. And then question 4. Birds make dash to dash. So that bird makes nest, okay, to lay eggs. Then question 5. At home we keep fish in an aquarium. Okay. So the next question we have. So after this we have question B. Write T for true and F for false statements. Question number 1. Animals eat snake. Sorry. Animals eat same kind of food. So it is a false statement. They eat different kind of food. Question number 2. Lion and tiger eats insects and worms, which is a false statement. Okay. Question number 3. Dog lives in a shed, which is also a false statement. Dogs lives in a kennel. Okay. Then horses are kept in stables, which is a true statement. Okay. Then question number 5. A rabbit lives in a cave. So it is a false statement. Moving on. So the next question we have is choose the correct options. Okay. The first question is said, which of these animal eats insects? So we have options like woodpecker, lizard, eagle, and both woodpecker and lizard. So the correct answer is both woodpecker and lizard. Both A and B. Option D is the correct answer. Then we have question number 2. Which of these animals eat seeds? So we have options like cows and horses, hens and squirrel, lizards and woodpeckers, and option D, all of this. So the correct option is option B, hens and squirrel. Okay. Then we have question number 3. Which of these animals eat plants and flesh of other animals? We have options like bear and crow, tiger and eagle, cow and squirrel, lizard and woodpecker. So your correct option is bear and crow, option A. Then we have question number 4. Where do we find bats and bears? So we have option like in caves, in hives, in burrows, and in nest. So the correct option is option A, in caves. Question number 5. Which of these do birds use to make nests? So we have options like stones, straws and twigs, leaves and cotton, both both straws and twigs and leaves and cotton. So correct answer is both straws and twigs and leaves and cotton from option D. Okay. Moving on. So after this we have very short answer type questions. Write one word for the following. We have to write one word answer for the following questions. So for the first question is a large area covered mainly with trees and small plants. So you have to write forest. Question 2, a rabbit makes this to live. So you have to write burrow, burrow. Then question number 3, horses are kept in this. So horses are usually kept in the stable, okay? stable, stable. Then question 4, a home that bees make to live. So you have to write hive, hive, hive. Moving on. It's answer the following questions. So the first question is the name two animals that eat plant as well as flesh of other animals. So what you have to write is bear and crow eat plant as well as flesh of other animals. So then we have question 2, why do birds make nest? So your answer should be like birds make nest to lay eggs. Okay. Then question number 3, what do birds use to make their nest? So you have to write birds use leaves, straws, cotton and twigs to make nest. And then question number 4, write the names of 4 animals that we keep and their homes. So you have to write horse, stable, cow, shed, dog, kennel, and fish with aquarium. Okay, moving on. So after this we have question from let's recall. Okay, recall and complete the concept map given below. So as you can see in your textbook, there is a figure given in the right side, on the left hand side, food that animals eat. So you have to fill the blank spaces over there. Okay, you just have to write first, okay, plants. They have already mentioned horse and cow and horse. So after this you have to write seeds. Then seeds is been eaten by hen. Okay, then we have insects and worm, which which is eaten by lizards, and then a flesh of other animal, which is eaten by tiger and eagle. Then both plants and flesh of other animal, you have to fill bear and crow. Okay, and then after that we have on the right hand side we have homes of animal. Okay, so the first one they have done it, birds nest. Then we have a blind spot, you have to fill that with spider. Okay, with spider lives with web. Okay, lives in a web. Rabbit in burrow, bee in beehives. Okay, then tiger in den, and we have horse which lives in a stable. Then cow lives in a shed, fish in an aquarium, and dog in the kennel. This is how you fill those blind spots. So moving on. So after this, let's observe questions. Okay, page number 59. So the first question is, join the dots and see the animal you get. So if you join all the dots which is given in the textbook, you will get a picture of a animal. Okay, you have to name the animal. You have to write it is a horse. Then question B is asking what does it eat. So you have to write it eats grass. Then question C, name the house we make for it to live in. So you have to write we make stable for it to live in. Moving on. So after this, uh, join the dots to complete the picture. Where does this animal live? So a rabbit lives in a burrow. Okay. Then we have let's connect questions. Question goes like this, and we keep some animals at home. We should look after them. When an animal gets sick, we take him to the special doctor called veterinary doctor or vet. So make as many names of animals using their letter in the word veterinary. So we have to use this word veterinary, and we have to find out what are the other animals name come out of this word. Okay, so I have written here some examples, like I have rat, ant and ray. So all these letters are present in this veterinary word. So you have to find out if there are any more names. Okay, moving on. So after this we have let's apply questions. Trees provide food and shelter to many animals. Name any 5 animals that make their homes or live on trees. So what you have to write is squirrel, crows, monkeys, lizards, lizards, and bees are 5 animals that make their homes on trees. Okay. After this we have question 2. Pooja is a zookeeper. Suggest one food that she would give each of the following. So you have to write answer like this. Okay. For A, write A for meat. Then for B, write plants. Then C for plants for C, and plants and fresh for option D. You have to write this in the blanks spaces. Okay, so moving on. So the next question we have from let's analyze and evaluate. Question number 1, which of these animal would you find living in this house on the tree? Option A, snake. Option B, a crow. Option C, a squirrel. Or option D, a rabbit. So obviously it is a option B, a crow is the right answer. Then question number 2, which of these can be used to make this home? So options are straw and twigs, leaves and cotton, water and mud, and option D is both A and B, which is straw and twigs and leaves and cotton. So that will be your option D is your correct answer, correct option. After this you have to write, is it weak or a strong home? So obviously it is not a strong home, that's why it is a weak home. So with this we have finished our exercises. So your home assignment for today is you have to complete worksheet number 3. Thank you.